If you're a new TikToker and you want to learn the app, you want to know how to use the app very well, I would advise you watch this video to the end because you get every details you'll be needing. As you can see, I'm in my TikTok homepage. This is where you see list of videos TikTok suggested for you. As you can see up here is for you. If you swipe up, you keep seeing them. If you continue swiping up, you'll be seeing them. Then if you want to see a list of videos of people you are currently following, you click on the following up here. See list of videos of people you are currently following. If you keep swiping up, you'll be seeing them. So if you want to watch any live video, maybe any of your followers is going live, or you want to see the live videos currently, you click on the live up here, or you can search for any video with this search bar at the top right. If you find any video interesting, you can give it a love sign by liking it. For example, let's like this video. You can comment on any video by clicking this message sign. You add your comments. And if you want to share any video, you click on the share sign here. Here you can be able to share your video to anybody, to any individual. You can copy the link, you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Facebook messengers, you can share anywhere, and you can also report the video if it's violating any law through this way. So the next is to go to our discovery. This is where you see list of trending topics, trending hashtags, and trending sounds. For example, you want to go viral on TikTok. This is where you get the trending topic to make videos about, trending sound to use on your videos, and trending hashtag to add to your videos. So I advise you to try using this discovery tab for you to go viral on your TikTok. So the next is this plus sign down here. If you want to make a new upload, you want to record a new video, this is where you go. You can record a 15-second video, a 60 seconds, a 3 minutes, and a 5 minutes video. If you have a video in your phone that you want to upload, you can click on the upload to upload it as well. You can add templates to your video. You can go live if you want to go live here. This is where you can be able to go live. And note that live is for only people that have up to 1,000 subscribers. If you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, you can't go live. Then the next is to go to our inbox. This is where you see all activities going on in your profile, those following you, those you are currently following, those that likes your video, those that comments on your videos, things like that, the message you are getting. This is where you see all of them. This is where you see all of them. You can reply to anyone through this place. So the next, you go to your profile. In your profile, here you see those following you, those you are following, and the likes you are getting from your profile. Anybody that visits your profile, this is how your profile will look like. In your profile, you can add your social media link. You can add link to your Instagram, link to your YouTube. For example, now this is my Instagram link. I added my Instagram and YouTube. So anybody that click on it, it will pop up to notify the person which of it he or she wants to visit. If the person wants to visit your YouTube channel, for example, the person will click on the person's YouTube channel. As you can see, it has directed me to my YouTube channel. This is how I'll show you how you can be able to add this link that can direct your followers to your YouTube or Instagram page. Let's go back to our talk. So these are the list of videos I've uploaded, and you can see how many likes each videos I've gotten. These are the list of videos. You can go to this tab to see the liked videos, the videos I liked. These are the list of videos I liked, as you can see. So let's go to our edit profile. This is where you can be able to edit your name, your username. You can be able to add a short bio to your profile. You can add your website through here. Then this is where you can add your social media handles, just like your Instagram and YouTube. For example, the way I showed you my YouTube, that link to my YouTube, this is where you can be able to add it. As you can see, I linked my Instagram and YouTube here. So let's go back. Then if you want to add maybe friends, you want to search for your friends, you click on the plus sign at the top left. Here you can search for friends. You can invite them using an email. You can invite your contacts. You can invite your Facebook friends. You can follow suggested friends by TikTok. If you have your friend code, you can scan it using the scan here. Then up here, if you click on the menu bar up here, you can go to your creator tools. This is where you see your video analytics. You can go to your creator portal. You can go to question and answer. You can go to your live center. For example, let's go to our analytics. You see our video analytics here. It's currently loading. This is list of my analytics. The total video views I've gotten 42.8k, profile views 300k, likes I've gotten 1.6k, comments 153, shares 98. As you can see, my number of followers 1.1k. I've uploaded 18 posts, 18 content. I've gone live 2 times. So this is where you get all the analytics. Then let's go back. You click on it again. You can go to your business suite. Business suite is still almost the same. Here you get your analytics, you get your message settings, and you get your business registration. You go back, then you click on the settings and privacy. Here you make settings in your profile. You can manage your account through here, add in your email, your password. You can switch your account to personal account. As you can see, my account is currently a business account. It's not a personal account. If you are currently on personal account, you can as well switch yours through this method into a business account. I made a video on how you can switch your account to a business account. You can check one of my videos down. You can also delete your account if you are no longer interested in TikTok. Then you can go to your privacy and make some settings as well. You can share your profile. If you want to dark mode your TikTok, this is where you do it. As you can see, my TikTok, I'm currently on dark mode. If you are in light mode and you want to dark mode it, you use it here, you dark mode it. You can clear your cache on TikTok. For example, if you hit on it, you clear cache. You can switch profile if you have more than one TikTok profile. For example, I have more than one TikTok profile. You can switch it through this way by tapping on it. You can switch profile. You can log out from your TikTok here. You can check the community guidelines of TikTok through this way. So guys, that is it on today's video on how to use TikTok. This video is for beginners and for those that have been using TikTok but are yet to be familiar with the app. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.